Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market. Dealing with mosquitoes, especially when there are children around, is not an easy task. While you may be at your wits' end searching for a solution, it's important to make an informed decision while selecting a mosquito repellent, as it has to be safe and effective. To save your time and money, we've completed our research and review 5 different models of mosquito patches on the market. You can see the link to the products in the description of the video below. Number 1. Safe and natural, created with your kids in mind. Our grid relief technology works mechanically, not chemically, to relieve itching and swelling caused by insect bites. Feel good about fighting the itch without harmful chemicals for your kids, babies and toddlers. Instant, convenient, effective, simply place a magic patch on a bite and the itch disappears. Relief from itch within 30 to 60 seconds. Our magic patches are waterproof and can be left on for up to 7 days. Easy to apply and environmentally friendly. How IT works: the grid-shaped technology mechanically adjusts the skin to help the lymphatic system drain the saliva injected by insects, relieving the itch response naturally and drug-free. Number 2. Citronella patch. Infused with citronella oil, these patches can help provide protection. Citronella works naturally to mask the scents of carbon dioxide and lactic acid that your bodies regularly produce and emit. The patches are made using all natural plant-based ingredients. They are 100% DEET-free. When you notice the citronella scent has faded, you should discard the patch as it has lost its effectiveness. These RiptGear insect stickers are great for children and adults. You can apply them to your clothing, tables, backpacks, and even strollers. You should not apply these directly to your skin. They were designed to work in all weather conditions. The mosquito stickers are perfect for traveling and can be packed in a purse, suitcase, or backpack. The patches come in a resealable bag to ensure they are always fresh, effective, and ready for use. Number 3.
If you're a parent like me, you're always looking for a way to protect your child from bugs but not cover them in chemicals, which is why I was thrilled when I found these mosquito patches for kids. They're infused with natural plant-based citronella, so they're 100% DEET-free. So many cute patch designs. They stick to anything but peel off super easily, so no worries about ruining your kids' clothes. The effective packaging keeps the scent fresh until you need them. So try these out for your next vacation, hike, cookout, or even just playing outside. Your kids will thank you.
Number 4.
Are you a mosquito magnet? Itchy bug bites don't need to ruin your day anymore. Quitch stickers are a unique leave-on treatment to help soothe itchy bug bites in an easy, natural way. Don't itch it, just quitch it.
Number 5. This patch are made of citronella, lemongrass and geraniol essential oils. Natural plant essential oils can effectively repel, long-lasting protection. It came with 84 patch natural patches. Suitable for sticking on clothes, pants, backpacks, chairs and tables both indoors and outdoors. Bring it when you want to host a barbecue, or go on a camping trip or any other outdoor activity. It will work perfectly. Each lasts up to 24 hours. The sticker come with high-quality sealed bag to preserve effectiveness when not in use. 84 patches, all packed securely in an airtight bag to prevent them from drying out. Natural protection patches can be used for kids, adults, and infants. Convenient and small packaging is perfect for on-the-go and travel-friendly. Keeps you protected throughout the day.